Hello and good morning ho sa ating lahat.
Morning po, sir.
Sabi ni Michelle kanina, nung simula siya, palakpakan naman natin dahil nandito yung lahat ng kasama natin ng ating mga para-athletes. Parang ang hina ang palakpakan niya. Once more, ladies and gentlemen, welcome the Philippine Para-Athletes! So anyway, before I start, I'm just going to share a few important reminders for all of you and share a little message. I would like to take this opportunity to thank already Dom Pinedo of Finado, our partners from the Philippine Olympic Committee, of course, the Philippine Sports Commission is always behind the initiatives to put forward the welfare of the para-athletes. Kita-kita naman natin yung naging kaibahan ng liderato ng Philippine Sports Commission pagpasok nitong bagong set of chair natin. Talaga ho, inuna niya yung kapakanan ng bawat atleta ng bansang Pilipinas, kasama na pati coaches. And we continue to really aspire for more. Pero siguro ako, at the onset, ang gusto ko sabihin isa lang naman palagi ang hinihingi sa atin nito. At ito ay suklian lahat ng binibigay sa atin ng isang paglalaro or performance na talaga namang ikapaproud natin lahat. No? So anyway, good morning to everyone. I'd like to go through already to my short presentation.